Hey guys, we received this ROCKNIGHT HD Polarized driving sunglasses for test and try. UV400 protection with the MG metal or the metal frame with a lightweight outdoor casual set. So it's a really nice box, comes in this carry case. And then let me just take out everything. So they are really nice with the mirror finish and the blue tinge. And then you can see like the side is also all metal. So really nice durable frame and a heavy quality one as I can feel from here. From the side thing also looks really nice and you can choose of course the different glasses color from blue, green or whatsoever or the black. But it looks really nice with the mirror finish. So these are the accessories like the microfiber cloth or the screw to tighten up. So basically a nice complete set that you can use in here with a nice fiber cloth, good to clean up your glasses and you can easily keep in the carrying case. So it's a tough and the lightweight frame that I can feel with a nice comfortable nose clip and then you can easily store within this carry case and easy to take anywhere you want. So it's comfortable and really holds well from the sides and things used for the teenagers as well. And then the nice finish.